So today I'm going to do an IV treatment here at Blue Mountain Wellness. And I have learned with these IV treatments that I feel better, I have more energy, I sleep better. I do have Hashimoto's, so one of the downfalls of that is hair issues, skin and nail issues, but the IV therapy helps me tremendously. They had stopped doing it here for a while and started back up. I could not wait for them to start it back up again, just because I knew what a difference it made in the quality of my life. Oh my God, I can't. It makes me cry. Because it does.
Yes, it does.
It made a huge difference in my life.
That's awesome. You're making me happy to be part of it. Yeah.
Well, I'm glad.
That's real emotion.
I'm really glad.
Why I bugged them every month to see when they were going to start again.
Yeah.
Yes, I get that. Because I could not wait. I pestered and I pestered. When are you starting it up again?
And then all that
Anyway.
red tape they had to go through.
Yep. I don't know what else to say right now. I'm just like...